So you're on Facebook and you see a great event go through your stream, and you think the people that follow your business page would also be interested in it. You want to share it, but you want to do more than just add it as a post that'll disappear. You want to make sure it's listed on your page and easy to get to at all times. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and I'm going to show you how to add that event to the events listing on your business page the right way. Yes, there is a wrong way. What some people have done is they see an event, they want to make sure it's listed in their events area, so they copy and paste every piece of that event as their own event, and it shows them as the host, everything else. But what this does is causes confusion. People don't know who the real host is. So they may be asking questions that then you can't answer. What you should be doing is directing them to the original event page with the real host, where the host can then answer the questions, can get a good head count, can do all of those things, make updates and such. If you copy and paste it and act as the host, you're just causing a mess. So don't do that. It's not good for your people. It's really not good for you because it doesn't look good when some people may think you're trying to mess with the event in a not so good way. So let's head over to Facebook. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily add the original event to your page, and it'll sit in your events listings. Okay, so here we are on my Facebook page. And what I want to do is, if I scroll down, I'm going to come down to where I have a list of upcoming events. Now, these are events right now that I co-host. So, of course, they're on my page. But what I want to do is add one that I'm a sponsor of. So let's go over here to the Great Las Vegas Taco Festival. Now, this is one where I'm also helping them out. This is a car show taco festival, and I want to add it to my Off the Jacks page. So this is the event page, and as you can tell, it is hosted by Project Taco and two others. So I don't want to take away from the host. I just want to help them. So when you scroll down, you're going to see the share button. Next to it is three little dots. When we click on those three dots, there's a lot of things you can do here. But the one thing I want to do is add to page. Now this is going to pull up. And if I want to add it to my page, select a page. I'm going to go down here to Off the Jacks. Click Add Event. Now, when I scroll, here it is. It is now listed here. Let's go refresh this. And let's see. And there it is. See, now it is listed on my page with my other events. And if people click it, it takes them straight to the original event. It does not look like I'm hosting it. I am just finding a better way to promote it. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps so that you can help your favorite events get more attention without causing the confusion. So be sure to subscribe, share this with your friends so that they know how to do it properly too. Thanks for watching.